Hey everyone, how's it going? In honor of Shark Week, I thought it'd be fun to show you how to draw a shark surprise fold. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw the Meg versus the Kraken from the new Meg 2 The Trench movie. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Megalodon versus Kraken surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to begin by lining up my paper, line up the corners, and giving it a nice fold down the middle. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time and give it another fold. Now, when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where to keep the inside of my drawing. I like to turn it this way so I can open it up and it makes a nice surprise. Now, to start off with this, let's begin by drawing the Meg. So I'm going to start right here at the eye. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to make a nice circle shape for the eye. I want to make a little circle shape in here for a shine, and I'm just going to color in the rest of it. Then I'm going to make a little line right above it like this, and a little line below it. Now, right above here, I'm going to make a little line. It's just going to come up and then down, just a little bit. Then out here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and in like this. Then right here, I'll make a line that's going to come in and then down. I'll draw a little line right around here. Next, I'm going to make a little line that comes down and in. And a little line that's just going to come down. Then I'll make another little line here. And I'll make a little fin, so I'm just going to draw a little line that's going to come down. Do a little point in there and bring it up. And we'll draw a little line here. Next, I'm going to bring this line here. I want to make a shark fin, so I'm going to make a line that's going to come up, put a little notch or two in there, and then bring it down to here. Then I'm going to draw some lines right up here for the gills. And then right across here, I'm just going to make some little detail lines just for some little detail to make it kind of look like it's a great white shark. And then I'll do the same thing up here. Now, on the other side of this, we want to make the Kraken over here. Now, to draw the Kraken, we're going to begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right about here, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down and then up here. I want to make a big circle shape. Then I'm going to make another line that goes down and up with another big circle shape. I'm going to draw some little lines underneath it. And then I'm going to make these kind of squared pupils in here. They're just kind of rounded. Next, I'm going to make a little line that's going to go up and down, and then up and down. And then I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come up. I'm going to curve it around, and then bring it down here. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out, and then down to here. And same thing here, we're going to go out, and then bring it down. I'm going to curve this in. And then I'm going to make a little line that's going to come up and down, and we're going to bring this down here, and bring this down here. Bring a little line that's going to come down and over. And we're going to bring this line down here. We'll bring this line in. Bring this line down to here. And then we're going to make these kind of look like some tentacles. So we're just going to make some little lines. They're just going to come up here. Then we're going to make a little one right out here. Now, our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Once we have this opened, we have two halves of our characters. Now, let's go ahead and start with the Megalodon. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and it's going to come out to here. We're going to come down, and then we're going to connect it to here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and it's going to be kind of bumpy. It's going to go back to here, and the same thing here. We're going to go up, and then make it kind of bumpy. Next, we're going to put tons of sharp teeth in here. So I'm going to make some different size sharp teeth, and I'm going to put another row of them back here too. Same thing here. We're going to put lots of sharp teeth in here. And then I'm going to make another row of sharp teeth here. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down. And I'm going to bring it over. We're going to come down and bring it up and over to here. Then I'm going to bring this line down and over to here. And we'll connect that. Now I'm going to make some sharp teeth inside here for our Kraken. And we'll do the same thing across here. Then I'm going to make a second line here and a third one right here. Then I'm going to put some more long tentacles all coming through here. We'll add some extra curves. We'll add some extra kind of crazy long tentacles coming all through here to make it look like the Kraken has a lot of tentacles everywhere. And then I'm going to add some extra little lines just right here onto the head of our Kraken as well. Make a couple little lines right around here too. And there you go, there is your drawing of the Meg versus the Kraken. So when you have it all folded up, they're in a little standoff, and then when you open it up, you can see that they are ready to battle. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.